My name is Jan Nolta. I'm the director of the stem cell program here at University of California, Davis. And we have a large program with over 150 faculty members affiliated with the program, working towards stem cell and regenerative therapies, regenerative medicine therapies, to treat patients who don't have other good options. A stem cell is a really fascinating cell that can regenerate other tissues in your body.
The goal of our research with stem cells for critical limb ischemia is to stimulate the growth of new blood vessels, what is sometimes referred to as therapeutic angiogenesis. And what's unique to this particular project is we're taking mesenchymal stem cells, which my colleague Jan Nolta likes to refer to as the paramedics. They have this innate ability to go where they're needed. We're taking those mesenchymal stem cells and we're enhancing them. We're basically engineering them to produce a growth factor that will help stimulate the development or growth of new blood vessels. So not only will they go to the spot in the lower leg where they're most needed, but once they get there, they'll be able to be more effective in terms of improving blood flow to the lower leg and hopefully allowing tissues to heal and avoiding an amputation. For us, this grant is a game changer.
What we've done is taken another approach, and that with other scientists here at UCDAVIS, Dr. Kit Lam, Dr. Wei Yao, and Dr. Rui Wu, what we have done is synthesized a hybrid compound that has alendronate, which is an actual bisphosphonate, and when you take the alendronate, it goes right to bone, and we put another chemical on it that actually attracts your own stem cells to the bone. So what we're hoping to do in our California Institute of Regenerative Medicine grant is to do some preclinical studies that we need to do and synthesize more of this compound. And what we're hoping is to inject it into people, and their own stem cells will be brought to their own bone surfaces and form new strong bone. And we hope that it's something that will help to cure osteoporosis.
One of the challenges in treating Huntington's is that it's a brain disease, and there's something called the blood-brain barrier, which protects the nervous system from drugs and other sorts of treatments. So what we'll have to do is to deliver these cells directly into the brain. It will be a small neurosurgical procedure to infuse them into the deep centers that are the most vulnerable in patients with Huntington's disease. These cells have really incredible properties, and I've learned this working with Dr. Nolta. They home in on sick and injured tissues. They shelter themselves from the immune system. Without even engineering them, they deliver growth factors and things to help cells that are sick and dying to survive longer. And they can also exchange material from within the stem cells with the cells around them. And that's the special property that Dr. Nolta is developing. This is absolutely groundbreaking to have the ability to work with these cells in the first 2 years of the grant to do all the safety testing, all the regulatory testing to get the approval of the FDA to allow us to then do a trial in people with early stage Huntington's. This there's nothing else that's come along like this. The ideas that we have and the proof of concept that Dr. Nolta is working on are taking us in a direction that could very much change the disease, the course of the disease, in a way that we've never been able to do it before.
The opportunity to do this type of groundbreaking research that will move these therapies into clinical trials to potentially help patients is what brought me back home to California. I came soon after Proposition 71 was passed, and it was the allure and the potential of being able to do these really meaningful studies that could help our patients that brought me back to the state.